the end of season 3, this gun charge that was hanging over us finally catches up with us, and we make a deal, you know, and kind of manipulate a lot of people and screw some people over and make sure that we don't go to prison for too long. But we do actually have to go and serve this 14 months. I did some research, and every state is different and every prison is different. You know, every facility has its own personality, and you know, it's really at the warden's discretion a lot what the rules and regulations are. But more often than not, long hair and long beards are really frowned upon. Although some of the other guys would have rebelled against that, I just didn't believe Jax would, because of psychologically where he was. He just wanted to do his time as quietly as possible and get out and get back to his life and effect the changes he felt like he needed to effect. And so I just really felt very strongly that it was psychologically the right thing to cut the hair off and it feel like it was like a new chapter coming out. It was very exciting for me to be able to cut all the hair off, you know. It felt very liberating.